Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am MySQL and watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeworks. So guys, in this video we are going to install DBSchema in Windows 10. So let's get started without any delay. So we need to just search DBSchema and let's directly jump into this dbschema.com, and then we have free download option here. So let's click on free download, and I'm just going to download it for Windows. Let's click on this window installer, right? So I will download it here and let's save it, and once it's downloaded we are going to run this to install this. And if you see that the speed is almost okay for me, and within a second it will download. So it's downloaded now, and now we are going to install this as this downloaded. DBSchema 9 version 9 is downloaded. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. And let's continue with this DBSchema installation process. Okay, so let's click on this open, and it will open the installation installer for this one. So extracting DBSchema installation file. Okay, so let's click on OK. Yes. Click on next. 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 I just need SQL query also, so click next. Okay, so let's finish this. So DBSchema is installed in our system as of now, you can see, and I just close this and we can check out this. So we can connect any of the DBSchema, either it's a local, remote, cloud, wherever it is. We can also have dark theme here, and if we click dark theme, then we will see dark theme will be something like this. And okay, so I just need to it is not okay, so it's a we can activate the pro trial also. It's just free. We can connect one of the we can connect the DB like MySQL, like NoSQL also. So lot of DBs are like DB, but it's the same DBSchema also. If we can connect it, we can write the query and we can get the data from the DB. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope you can able to install this in your system. We'll meet in this video. Till then, bye bye.